Hello guys and welcome to Beast War Simulator. We need to get Beast War Simulator back and running. This game is so magnificent. I love it, but it's dead. So we need to help it by not making it dead. And that's why I'm going to make Beast War Simulator content compelling. So let's check my quests. Village. I need to get some. Okay, spider. Bees, kill him. Okay. Bees, kill the spider. Oh, yay, gummy. I love getting gummies. Pretty treats? That's a lot of treats. Wait. Oh, gummies. I don't have a lot of gummies, by the way. Wait, how many for the gummy? Open shop. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of gumdrops. I call them gummies. Wait, I think I know how to get that royal gel. Yes, I knew it. Oh, but you need to be in the... You need to have... No, you don't. You don't need to have 4 boobies. You can just go here. And then go here. And jump up. And boom! I got a royal jelly. Okay, use the gum. Yeah. Cool. I cut to when something interesting happens. Like now. I think. What happened? Why did he die? Oh my god. Time-lapse time. How am I so lucky? It's a sprout. These gives so much rewards. Okay, get the gumdrops. This gives you more pollen. Okay, more gumdrops. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and we go time lapse. Oh, my container is full. Perfect time to get like a royal gel, because like I have a lot of useless bees, which does not have a lot. Okay, here's mine. I have a lot of bad bees. Okay, make some honey. And while that happens, ignite items. Oh, I have a lot of... Yeah, I did not... Wait. Did I have 2 royal jellies? I think I should use it on the hasty bee. Oh, a bumble bee. Using up blue rare. Yeah. A blue bee. Where's the blue rare? Where is the thing I just got? Or was it a cool bee? I don't remember. Let's check. It's a cool bee. Okay. I saw the cool hair part, blue hair part, and I was like, oh, cool. Stubborn bee. I hate the stubborn bees. They colorless. Yeah, he is colorless. Well, he does have a color, it's just he is colorless in the game. Okay, back to the sprout. Wait. Oh yeah, badges. Oh! I did not know that there were badges. Open club console. Oh, there's like skins. Yeah, anyways, shop. Okay, no. Don't care about the shop. Time lapse time. Okay, so yeah, it's time to go into my place and just I made that's a lot of honey. Okay, time to make some more honey. I almost have 15 bees. I don't even remember how it's like to begin in this game. Yeah, and also they're adding trading in the next update. They said so. So, oh my, I, I shouldn't have used all my. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, just make honey faster. We have not a lot of time. We are on halfway there on the sprout. Okay, so make honey faster. Okay, I can almost get 15 bees. Okay, are you done? Yes, you are. How do you get blessings? Oh! Okay, basic egg. We gotta do this. We gotta do this. Hatch basic egg. Oh, I got a basic bee. Anyways, that's 15 bees. Uh, so yeah, I can go there now. But after we've done the sprout. Okay, time to time lapse again. Okay, there was a vicious bee. Why? I didn't even notice. Look, a vicious bee has been defeated. Why? Oh, it's time to make some honey. Anyways, it's I while I'm doing that, I can always like give them treats. Wait, badges? Badges? Oh, cool. 5 tickets. Cadet award. I got the cadet award. Award. Now these baby bees are super overpowered, so I'll give one to the level 6. I mean all. To the level 6. Anyways, if you look at the quests, now I'm done with that one. So yeah, just wait until the pollen has turned into honey. It's okay. We just gotta wait. I'm so tired. I don't know why I say that. Okay, on my way up there, I will go. Please? Okay, you're done. You're done. Okay, how do you get that blessing? I just got like a blessing once and I have no idea how you get it. Mother bear, mother bear. Okay, thank you for the 20,000. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Okay, they'll give me royal jelly for this. That's the only thing I read. Like, there was something about royal jelly. So yeah, the 53 use free royal jelly. Do you think that stuff is cheap? Let's badges. Cool. 13. Yeah, okay. That stuff's not cheap. No way, just stealing my sprout. I have done all the work on this sprout. Ain't no way you were going to steal. Yeah, okay, I don't really care. Now, let's just time lapse it. Okay, 1,000 more pollen, and we're done. Okay? Okay, yeah, see the baby face? That's like, oh my god, royal jelly. Oh, 2 of the free royal jelly already, and a bunch of treats. I'm telling you, the sprouts are overpowered. Another royal jelly. No, I let it despawn. Okay, it's fine. There's a lot of stuff that spawns. Oh, another royal jelly. Don't let it despawn. Right before I picked it up, it despawned. Okay, I wish I had that one because it gives. I wish I had like the collecting thing. Okay, anyways, down we go to the cacti place, I guess. Oh my god, somebody is here in the cacti place. Mantis? You can fight mantises here? Are those frogs? Is those... Oh my god, this guy gotta be late game, like mega late game. Wait, there's spawned something here. In the pumpkin field, pine tea. A werewolf? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, that's basically a god. If we go, that's an ad portal. Why is that an ad portal there? Wait, is there here I get that glider thing? 20 for the ant place. Oh, what's here? Polar bear. Okay, I don't care. What is your quest? There's no quest. Okay, that wasted my time. Oh my god. More. I have lion bee. 25 eggs. Mondo chick. Is that where Mondo chick is? Oh, that's giant. The red HQ. Okay, maybe it's up here where the ad portal is. Or maybe you need it to get there. You never know when there's this game we're talking about. Yeah, I'm not angry. Okay, that's 35. I know up there is 30. What, 100? 100 of what? 100 moon thingies. Look! Look, you can parkour to a royal jelly. I call it jelly for some reason. I know it's gel. Yeah, you got a royal gel. Oh shit. Okay, we got 2 of those. We killed them. Final showdown. 1 ladybug left. Oh my god. 1 ladybug left on final showdown. Spiders and oh, I'm never defeating 10 spiders. Oh wait, that's 10, not 20. Oh, thank God. What is that? Okay. This game is so fun. And if you haven't played it, you should play it right now after you watch this video. I'm pretty sure I'm going to end off the video soon. Wait, what? 15 what? 15 Star Wars? Oh wait, there's more stuff here. Okay, 16 and you can discover 16 types. 2 hired B types. Oh, you need to discover 16 B types. Okay, no, I will not do that. I will leave shop. Shop. Yeah. Rose Scorpion? Oh, they're scorpions. These are strong. These are strong. Okay, I'll finish off the video soon. I just need to find out what's here. Look, it's like a robo bear. Okay, obtain 1 red drive. Oh, you need to obtain some drives. Okay, scorpion. Level 5 and level 6. Okay. Okay, I can do this. I can actually do this. This is hard, but I'm doing it. I killed 1 scorpion. Okay, we go that. We get all those. Boom. We get a ticket for killing them both. It's pretty nice. I need 1 more red bee. What? 8 special sprite and a sprout. Okay, now we need to go here. And I'm just going to do some quests. Well, you can sit back, enjoy, and watch the next. Oh, a rascal bee. Oh, I have a rascal bee. Well, I'm just going to no. Stubborn bee. No. No, I will do stubborn bee. Exhausted bee. Use another. Honey bee. No, use another. Hasty bee. Ta-da! Okay, at least I got what? 50 treats now. Boom. And bap. All 19. Yeah, I'm going to make honey and finish off the video.